Hello everyone, welcome to CTI 110 I-50 Web Design, Programming, and Database Foundations. I am Vicki Edwards. I'll be your instructor for this course. If you'll look over to the right under Meet Your Instructor, you'll see my information. I do not have a location on campus. This course is online only. If you need to get in touch with me, if you'll sign up for Remind for this class, if you have a question you need answered immediately, if you'll send me a Remind message, it'll go straight to my personal phone and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. You can also email me with your college account, or you can leave me a message on Rams Online. If you'll notice, you have the Getting Started module. In the Getting Started module, you have click here to read course announcements. I will leave you messages here each week, reminders, so you'll need to check this each week. Here is a little course introduction you'll need to read. Your instructor welcome. And Meet Your Instructor video is what we're doing here. The syllabus is something that you'll need to read over. And the syllabus addendum you will also need to read over. This has more information pertinent to the class that we're in right now. As soon as you go through and read the information, if you're sure you want to take this class, then you'll need to come down and take the enrollment key. This enrollment key has to be taken by September 7th, or you'll be dropped from the class. You can't really start the class until you do the enrollment key, quiz, so you need to do that as quickly as possible. If you'll notice, over on the left, you have some of the same titles here that are here. If this is a distraction and you would rather close it, click on the X. If I can get to it. And that'll close it out. You can also do the same thing on the right and get rid of most of your distractions. So each week a module is due, and it will be due on Fridays. Once the module closes, I usually will close it out Sunday night. So once the module's closed, you won't be able to go back in and catch it up. What we do in our courses is at the end of the semester, you'll have one redo. So if there's something you don't do well on, or there was a assignment that you didn't get to do, then you can redo that assignment at the end. But once it closes, you won't have an opportunity to redo that until the end of the semester. And that will only be one. So if you have missed several, then you won't be able to redo but one. So make sure that you stay up on the information. The book, if you'll notice here, creating databases. If you have a Cengage account, then you should be able to click here and go into the book, ebook, to be able to read to do your 3 database modules. The other modules, the web design and computer programming, those do not have books. So the only book that you will really have to worry about is going to be the database book, and it's in the course addendum. So I look forward to working with each one of you. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I will get back to you as quickly as possible.